Pag-uusapan na lang din naman natin ang pauwi ang biyahe ng mga ito. Dagdagan na natin ang issue, no? Ito naman po sa bansang Kuwait. Ayan. Kung kayo po ay may mga anak o expatriate ka, alam niyo ba sa bansang Kuwait, may bagong rule, travel rule. Anong ibig sabihin? Ang mga expatriate na anak ng naaalis sa Kuwait ay kinakailangan ng father's approval. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Halimbawa, may anak ka, uuwi ng Pilipinas, kasama ang asawa mo, dapat may approval mo. Okay? Ganun po ibig sabihin nun. The Ministry of Interior through the General Administration of Ports, Airport, Passport Department has begun implementing new system that prevents any expatriate child from leaving the country without approval of their guardian. This requires guardian to sign a statement prepared by the Passport Department. Ito po yun. Okay, ayan yun. The decision applies only to departing expatriate. Okay, so ibig sabihin, sakop dito ang mga Pinoy. Sakop dito mga Pinoy. Departing, ibig sabihin ng departing, paalis ng bansang Kuwait. Even if the child has accompanied by their mother or relative without the father present during their trip, the regulation now affecting all airports requires the expatriate children receive explicit approval and signature from their father before being allowed to leave the country. A ministry spokesperson clarified that this precautionary measures aims to prevent marital disputes issues. Under the new rule, if a father will legally sponsor his child within the country, his consent is mandatory for the child to travel with the mother. Stipulation is intended to address the potential problems if the mother were to travel with the children and not return due to personal disputes or other reasons. The spokesperson also highlighted the concerns about instances where children and father's custody might be taken abroad by the mother without this consent, which is deemed legal infractions under the new regulation. Maganda to, maganda to. Ako, I agree with this, no? Kasi kadalasan, itinatakas na no? Huwag babakasyon, tapos, no, hindi na pala babalik. Yun na. Alam mo yan, just ko marital issues madalas ng mga Pilipino, ganyan. May mga issues sa ganyan. For me, it's okay. Para sa akin, okay itong balitang ito. Sana gawin din ng Saudi Arabia yan. Hindi ka without the approval. Ibig sabihin, Kuwait is just trying to secure the relationship, both parties, no? Yan. Okay? Kayo, ano bang masasabi nyo? Anong say nyo dyan? Pabor o hindi pabor? Let me know sa comment section ng pagbasahin natin sa mga susunod nating video. God bless everybody.